Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. Today we'll be doing a solve for x. I've been asked to do solve for x calculations. As you can see, we have first equation. First equation is 5x plus 3 equals to 7x minus 1. So the first thing that we're going to do here will equate to 0. Equate everything to 0, group the like terms, add the like terms, then find x. So we see here 5x the like term with 7x, so it's going to be minus 7x, close to it. My marker is not writing here for some reason, plus 3 plus 1 equals to 0. So 5x minus 7x is going to be 2, is going to be minus 2x. We take the sign of the bigger number, so minus 7x is bigger than 5, so it's minus 2x. So we have 3 plus 1, that's going to be plus 4 equals to 0. Then we take 4 to the other side of the equal sign. It's going to be minus 2x equals to minus 4. Then we divide by minus 2 both sides, minus 2. So our answer will be, this will cancel with this. So we're left with x equals to 2. So how do we now check that? We can substitute in the equation to see if we're going to get this equation 5x plus 3 equals to 7x minus 1. They say this equation is equal. So for us to know that our x is correct, we must substitute that, then see the value we get. It should be the same on this equal side as this one. So 5x plus 3 equals to 7x minus 1. Then in the place of x, we'll substitute 2. So here it's going to be 5 into 2 plus 3 equals to 7 into 2 minus 1. So now 5 times 2, that will be 10 plus 3. Then 7 times 2, that will be 14 minus 1. So 10 plus 3, that will be 13, equals to 14 minus 1, that will be 13. So our value for x is true for this equation. Now the second equation is 5x plus 2 into x plus 7 equals to 14x minus 7. So let's get that. First of all, this term we must multiply out on this term. So the first thing we do, we will drop 5x as it is, then we multiply plus 2x plus 2 with x, so it's going to be plus 2x, then 2 times 7, it's going to be plus 14 equals to 14x minus 7. Okay, then the next step, now we'll have to equate everything to 0. Okay, and group the like terms. Okay, firstly let's add 5x plus 2x. 5x plus 2x will be equal to 7x plus 14 equals to 14x minus 7. So if you group the like terms and equate to 0, so 7x minus 14x plus this 14 plus this 7. So whenever you take something across the equal sign, it changes the sign. So that's why this minus 7 changed to positive 7. This minus 14, this positive 14 changed to minus 14x. So now what we're having 7x minus 14x. We see the signs are not the same, so we subtract. We take the sign of the bigger number. So 14 is bigger than 7, so it's going to be minus. So 7x minus 14 is going to be minus 7x for that one. Plus here 14 plus 7. So 14 plus 7, that will be 21, close to 0. Okay, so we take 21 across the equal sign, we're left with minus 7x equals to minus 21 because it's crossing the equal sign. What do we have? We have to divide by minus 7 to get x both sides. So this 7 cancels with this 7, we're left with x on this side, then it'll be equal to this negative cancels with this negative. So now we're left with 21 divided by 7, that will be 3. Okay, value for x is 3. So now going to our equation, if we substitute the in the place of x3, we should be getting a number that is equal to the number across the equal sign. So let's see, write the equation down again. It's going to be 5x plus 2 into x plus 7 equals to 14x minus 7. So if we substitute x this side and we substitute the value of x this side and we substitute the value of x this side, this sum this side should be equal to this side. Let's go. So it's 5 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 7, then this side we substitute 3 in the place of x, so it's 3 minus 7, so 3 times 5, that will be 15, plus 3 plus 7, that will be 10, 10 times 2, that will be 20, so it's 20, this equals 2. So 14 times 3, that will be 42, 42 minus 7 this side, so 15 plus 2, that will be 35. 15 plus 20, that will be 35. Let's see this side. 42 minus 7, that will be 35. Okay, this means now our x value is correct.